यानी डायनासोर्स का राज था। लेकिन यहाँ पर डायनासोर्स के अलावा भी एक और प्रजाति भी थी, चूहे की तरह दिखने वाली। ये प्राणी हमारे पूर्वज थे। यही है प्रारंभिक स्तनधारी जीव यानी मैमल्स। उस समय मैमल्स डायनासोर्स के डर से मिट्टी के नीचे या पेड़ के डालियों में रहा करते थे। क्रिटेशियस काल के अंत के समय 10 किलोमीटर डायमीटर वाला एक एस्टेरॉयड पृथ्वी से
This is the time when asteroid having 10 kilometer of diameter will fall on the surface of Earth. Okay.
टकराया। इस टक्कर की वजह से एक भीषण विस्फोट हुआ और समुद्र में विशाल लहरों का निर्माण हुआ। पूरी पृथ्वी धूल की एक मोटे चादर से ढक गई और सूरज की किरणें पृथ्वी तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे थे।
At that time, the new era was started from there.
इस विस्फोट के कारण पृथ्वी का वातावरण पूरी तरह बदल गया। फूड चेन भी नष्ट हो गया। कुछ पेड़ पौधे के साथ साथ डायनासोर की पूरी प्रजाति विलुप्त हो गई। लेकिन डायनासोर का अंत मैमल्स के लिए एक वरदान जैसा बन गया। जमीन के नीचे रहने के कारण मैमल्स इस विशाल प्राकृतिक विविधता से सर्वाइव कर पाए और एडेप्टिव रेडिएशन प्रक्रिया के कारण बहुत सारे
See, these are the animals from where human evolution was started.
नए प्रजातियों का आगमन हुआ। डायनासोर के अंत के कुछ लाखों साल बाद धरती का वातावरण धीरे धीरे ठीक होने लगा और एक नए युग का आरंभ हुआ। इस समय में मैमल्स समय के साथ साथ
This is the animal, the first mammal from where the evolution of human being took place. Very important.
विकसित होता गया और आकार में पहले से बड़े होते गए। इस समय ज्यादातर मैमल्स पेड़ में रहा करते थे और ये दिखने में आज की गिलहरियों की तरह लगता था। मैमल्स की इस अवस्था को प्रोटोप्राइमेट्स कहा जाता है।
It is a protoplanet.
फॉसिल से पता लगता है इनके हाथ और पैर किसी चीज को पकड़ने में सक्षम थे, लेकिन इनके आंखें सिर के दोनों साइड पर थी।
Whatever discussing we are here, it is nothing but the information which is got from the fossils. Okay, means the paleontological has the part of the science which is the paleontology, which is nothing but the study of fossils and remnant part of the organism. Okay, from their study, it is been proved that whatever we are seeing here.
आज से लगभग 55 लाख साल पहले बंदर जैसे दिखने वाले मैमल्स पृथ्वी
And whatever the time we are discussing here, it is nothing but the calculated by the carbon dating process. You know that what is carbon dating? Or either I'll explain you that also.
पर आए। इनकी आंखें सामने की ओर थी। इस काल में मैमल्स के सर के अंदर एक महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव हुआ। स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को दिमाग से जोड़ने वाली छेद यानी फोरामेन मैग्नम।
See, this is the foramen magnum, which is the bone which is going to join through the brain as well as the spinal cord beta. Okay, due to the movement of that foramen magnum toward the brain and which is joining the brain and spinal cord, due to which the human we evolved from those apps has started running or walking to the erect position. The very important evolution.
सर के पीछे की क्षेत्र से बीच की तरफ शिफ्ट होने लगे। इसका मतलब मैमल्स अपने दोनों पैरों पे चलने की तरफ अग्रसर हो रहे थे। आज से 40 लाख साल पहले अफ्रीका के पूर्वी इलाके में एक नए पर्वत श्रृंखला का निर्माण हुआ, ईस्ट अफ्रीकन रिफ्ट वैली। यह पर्वत यहाँ
See, this is the valley which is formed in East African region area, due to which the monsoon clouds they stop there only, means the another part where there was no raining at that particular time. Then the human being started running migrating from that part to entire earth. Some of them migrated toward the Asia also, and from where like in China part where the Chinese and Indian people was evolved from them only.
आने वाली मौसमी हवाओं के लिए एक अवरोध बन गया, जिसके कारण यहाँ की जंगलों में बारिश होना कम हो गया और समय के साथ साथ यहाँ सूखा पड़ने लगा। जंगल घटते गए और खुली जगह बढ़ने लगे। अफ्रीका की इसी स्थानों पे रहते थे हमारी पूर्वज एडेपेथिकस रेमिडस।
See, from here the human evolution takes place, and the apes like animals they started walking on the erect position from here only.
यानी प्रारंभिक एप्स पेड़ की संख्या घटने के कारण ये सभी एप्स पेड़ से नीचे उतरकर खुली जगहों पे रहने लगे। इस तरह समय बीतता गया और एप्स विकसित होते चले गए और अनुमान लगाया जाता है आज से लगभग 35 लाख साल पहले एस्ट्रोलोपिथेकस का आगमन हुआ। एस्ट्रोलोपिथेकस मनुष्य वंश की सबसे पहले सीधे चलने वाले जीव थे। सीधे चलने के कारण ये चलते हुए भी खा सकते थे और इसमें शरीर का ऊर्जा भी कम खर्च होता था। आगे चलकर मनुष्य वंश की और भी कई प्रजातियां सामने आए। होमो हैबिट्स का आगमन आज से लगभग 25 लाख साल पहले हुआ था। समय के साथ साथ इन्होंने पत्थर से हथियार बनाना सीख लिया। इन औजारों की मदद से शिकार करना काफी आसान हो गया। इसी तरह हजारों सालों तक विकास प्रक्रिया चलता रहा। धीरे धीरे मनुष्य का एक और नया प्रजाति सामने आया, होमो इरेक्टस। इनका आगमन आज से लगभग 18 लाख साल पहले हुआ था। इन्होंने अपने संदेशों को दूसरे तक पहुंचाने के लिए तरह तरह की
See, here, 18 lakh year ago, human being has started, transferring messages from one person to another by using the different voice. What's wrong?
So you just left them.
We were here, no?
Yes.
A little bit.
So sound is not audible.
Sound is not visible, audible.
भी कम खर्च होता था। आगे चलकर मनुष्य वंश की और भी कई प्रजातियां सामने आए। होमो हैबिट्स का आगमन आज से लगभग 25 लाख साल पहले हुआ था। समय के साथ साथ इन्होंने पत्थर से हथियार बनाना सीख लिया। इन औजारों की मदद से शिकार करना काफी आसान हो गया। इसी तरह हजारों सालों तक विकास प्रक्रिया चलता रहा। धीरे धीरे मनुष्य का एक और नया प्रजाति सामने आया, होमो इरेक्टस।
These are the Homo erectus. They started transferring their messages by producing different kinds of voice, and from there, the vocal cord, we called it Adam's apple, also started developing. And now we are sharing our ideas with the help of words. So it started from like 18 lakh year back. Okay.
इनका आगमन आज से लगभग 18 लाख साल पहले हुआ था। इन्होंने अपने संदेशों को दूसरे तक पहुंचाने के लिए तरह तरह की आवाजें निकलने लगे और ऐसे ही भाषा का आविष्कार हुआ। इसी समय हमारे पूर्वजों ने
And from there, the language has started.
आग की खोज भी किया और इन्होंने शिकार को आग में जलाकर खाने लगे। इसके अलावा भी आग इन्हें गर्मी, रोशनी और दूसरी जंगली जानवर से सुरक्षा देती थी। होमो इरेक्टस एक साथ ग्रुप बनाकर रहते थे, जिसके कारण धीरे धीरे परिवार बनने लगे। होमो इरेक्टस के बाद आए होमो नीलंडरथल, जो आइस एज में बहुत ज्यादा ठंड और खाने की कमी की वजह से विलुप्त हो गए।
See, these are the Neanderthals, which got, extinct due to the worst, cold, that lower temperature in that particular area was in ice age. Okay, and most of them got extinct, and most of them, migrated from that particular area to other part of the earth where temperature was moderate.
पिछले 2 लाख सालों में मनुष्य का एक और नया प्रजाति सामने आया, होमो सेपियंस, यानी आधुनिक मानव।
These are the Homo sapiens. They evolved like 2 lakh year back.
माना जाता है इनका विकास पूर्वी अफ्रीका में हुआ था, लेकिन वातावरण में हो रहे बदलाव के कारण
See, the Homo sapiens was, called in Africa itself, in East Africa, but due to the famine there, famine means there was no rain, no production of the crop. That's why most of the apes or human or Homo sapiens, they started migrating from there to the different part of the earth for the search of water and food. Okay.
होमो सेपियंस अफ्रीका से पूरे धरती में फैल गए और दूसरे होमो स्पीसीज लुप्त हो गए। होमो सेपियंस अधिक विकसित थे। उन्होंने जटिल भाषा, संस्कृति का निर्माण किया। धीरे धीरे होमो सेपियंस खेतियां भी करने लगे। इन्होंने पेड़ के पत्ते, जानवरों के खाल, इन सब से वस्त्र बनाए। ज्यादा विकसित होने के कारण होमो सेपियंस प्राकृतिक विविधता से बच पाए और समय के साथ साथ और भी विकसित होते गए। दोस्तों,
And this is how human evolution was took place. And now we are, using, our brain has developed as much as that we are dominating all over the world now. And we are, thinking for the space tourism also, due to we got a well developed brain.
आज की एपिसोड में हमने पिछले 6.5 करोड़ सालों का सफर तय किया और हमने जाना धरती पर इंसानी सभ्यता का विकास कैसे हुआ। ये है हमारी आज की दुनिया। आज हम बहुत ही विकसित और आधुनिक सभ्यता।
Okay. So student, this is all about the human evolution. So now we are going to understand human evolution through the theoretical part. Okay. So the human evolution. See, the biodiversity that is known today has been said to be formed from the very simple unicellular organism due to the evolution only. So we had first life on Earth, which is in the form of protoplasm, and from that protoplasm, single cellular organism was formed. Okay, and from single cellular organism, different, like whatever the diversity we have in present time, which is evolved from that single cellular organisms only. Okay, so in this evolution, origin of human evolution can be shown as per the picture given below. So here you can see how human being has evolved. Okay, so here time period is also given beta, so that you can understand properly. Means ancient animal like lemur, okay, have evolved around 7 crore year ago. Okay, they looks like that. Like we have squirrel nowadays, they were looks like that only, from where the human evolution took place. And about 4 crore year ago, Egyptopithecus came into existence. Okay, see, this is the general. I'm writing. This is a journey of human evolution. Okay, this is the journey.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, are adaptation and evolution different things?
adaptation is nothing but to change yourself with respect to changing environment. That is adaptation beta. But if there is some changes take place, then this is the evolution. Okay.
Sir, and what is the purpose of evolution and what is the cause of evolution?
See, cause of evolution means whatever the different organisms and species we have in our surrounding, which is the diversity, which is evolved from, which is takes place due to the evolution only. Okay, so cause is like every generation we are getting advanced and more well developed organism. This is the cause of that. Okay, like in case of
And
human being,
sir,
and in case of human being, like every new generation is being more advanced than the previous one. Okay, so this is the cause of evolution and heredity also. Okay, so first we will go through the theoretical part, then we will discuss that diagram also, picture, don't worry. So the last, when last dinosaur, let me use the highlighter. Okay, so last dinosaurs disappeared approximately 7 crore year ago. We have already gone through that when 10-kilometer diameter of that asteroid part was collide on the Earth. That time, the worst atmospheric condition changed worstly. So due to which dinosaurs got extinct from the Earth about 7 crore year ago beta. And from there, human evolution took place. Okay. So at that time, monkey-like animal are said to evolve from the ancestors who were more or less similar to the modern lemur. Okay, we have lemur nowadays in our time. So those like animal which is evolved from those, like 7 crore year back, those animals were looking like lemur only. So tale of those monkey-like animal of Africa. See, human evolution took place in Africa only. Okay, in East Africa, it's said to be disappeared about 4 crore year ago. But they evolved, like most of the human being, they evolve, like some of those are evolved properly, but due to the change in atmospheric condition, most of them got extinct. They got perished. Okay, so they develop due to the enlargement in brain. When we started eating cooked food that we already discussed in last class, So due to that, human being saved more energy in their body, and that energy started developing the human brain. Okay, that's why we had the very high, we can say very good thought process as compared to other organisms. Okay, their hand were also improved, and thus ape-like animal were evolved. Meanwhile, this ape-like animal reached to the South and North Asia and finally evolved into the gibbons and orangutans. These are nothing but the two different kinds of human beings. Okay, Homo sapiens started, evolved from them only. Then remaining ape-like animals stayed in Africa, and they convert into the gorilla and chimpanzee. Okay, whatever the ape-like animals they stayed in South Africa, they evolved into gorilla and chimpanzee. And those they, somebody's in waiting room. Wait a second. And some of them they move toward the different part of the earth. They evolved into the gibbons and orangutan. Okay, so if that gorilla and the chimpanzee evolved about 2.5 crore year ago on earth. Evolution of some of the 2 crore year old species of the ape seems to be occurred in different ways. See, most of the apes they spread all over the earth, and due to the climatic condition, due to the different atmospheric factor, evolution took place differently on those different apes, but they were evolved from the same ancestor only. They had to use their hand more for eating food and other work, as we have already gone through that. Okay, so this is the diagram which shows that the journey of evolution from 7 crore year ago to the modern man. Okay, so Dryopithecus, we already discussed about Egyptopithecus, they evolved about 4 crore year ago. Then Dryopithecus, they evolved about 2.5 crore year ago. Then Ramapithecus came into existence about 1 crore year ago. Okay, and then we have Australopithecus, they evolved about 40 lakh year ago. Beta. Then skilled human, we already discussed that. Okay, they evolved about 20 lakh year ago. And between 20 lakh year ago, after that, human beings started transferring messages by producing different sounds. Okay, so man with erect position, complete full erect position evolved from like 15 lakh year ago. Okay, and Neanderthal, see, most of the Neanderthal they got disappeared in the ice age. Okay, but most of them they left that particular part to the other area where moderate temperature was there. Okay, so they evolved into the Cro-Magnon man, which are nothing but evolved about 50,000 years ago. Okay, and Neanderthal came into existence about 1,50,000 years ago. Beta. So this is the journey of human. And now here we have human being. Again, we have the well-developed human being here, which is using the Android mobile phone now. Like you and me. Is it? We are using the Android mobile now. Is it or not? So this is the journey of human. This is the present human. Okay, next part. So those apps started live on the land for, as the forest started to decline due to the dry environment there. Due to the formation of that East African Valley, the most of the monsoon clouds they stopped there only, and the another part like behind that mountain there was no rain. Due to no rain, the atmosphere becomes dry, and the most of the crop and plant they started dying there. Okay, that's why the people like human being they started living on the earth for the search of water and food. So their lumbar bone developed in such a way that they started to the stand in erect position. Okay, see, lumbar bone is nothing but the foramen magnum beta. Okay, and they started walking on the erect portion in the grassland, and thereby their hands become available for the use for any kind of work. Even they started eating from their hand only. Okay, this is the way how evolution took place. Next, we have very like long theory, so we have to cover little faster. So these first human like animal with erect posture which were using their hand have evolved about 2 crore year ago. Okay, so first record of, see, very important that point. The first record of human like animal is with in the form of Ramapithecus. You have to remember that the first skilled, or we can say the first record of human like animal, which is nothing but the Ramapithecus ape from the ape of Africa. We already discussed that in the video lecture. Okay, so they evolved about 40 lakh year ago. The morphology of these human-like animals started to appear like to be a member of the genus called Homo. Okay, so Homo is the genus of the human being. So about 20 lakh year ago, the skilled first skilled human have evolved. And about 15 lakh year ago, human walking with the erect position was evolved, and they use their hand for the different purpose and work. That's why their hand, convert in such a way that so that we can handle anything properly now. Okay, it may have exist in China and Indonesia in Asian continent. So in Asian continent, generally human evolved in China and Indonesia. Okay, everyone are getting the point.
Yes, sir.
So here we have the Neanderthal man. Okay, so evolution of upright man continued in the direction of developing the brain. Due to eating cooked food, most of the energy is saved in human body, and that energy started developing the human brain. Okay, for the period of about 1 lakh year, meanwhile, it discovered the fire. Okay, they started, like they already gone through the fire before that particular time, but they started producing fire by using the stone, okay, or rubbing one stick on the other. They started burning the fire also. So brain of the 50,000 year old man had been sufficiently evolved in the extent that they could be considered as the member of wise man. That means the Homo sapiens. The Homo sapiens means the member of wise man. So Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of the wise man. So you have to remember that part also. The first wise man is the Neanderthal. The Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and afterward, this evolution had been faster than earlier one, because they discovered the fire. Due to discovered fire, they started the eating food, whatever comes in front of them, they used to cook and then they used to eat that. Due to which the energy which was using for the digestion of food was restored in their body, and that energy started developing their brain. About 10,000 years ago, wise men started practicing agricultural activities. Like 10,000 years ago, we have started practicing agricultural activities. Okay, it started to rear the cattle herd also, like a useful animal we used to cattle, like rear in or in those particular jungle area, so that they can use them for their benefit. And due to they started living in a group, due to which the culture had developed there. The culture developed started like 10,000 years back, beta, because most of the people like human Homo sapiens, they started living in a group. Okay, so that they can be protected from other dangerous animals. Okay, so the art of writing, see, very important, art of writing invented about 5,000 years ago, and then they started writing their messages on the wall, maybe on the leaf, so that from there the history started better. So history started about 5,000 years ago. Okay, and had been started. The modern science emerged about 400 years ago. Okay, 400 years ago. And you know that Ashok Stamba, you know that Everyone.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Ashok Stamba was like it is about 1300 year old. Means human has started extraction of metal more than 1300 year ago. Is it or not? Is it?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, yes. But modern science started like 400 year back, and we have started extracting metal from their corresponding ore about 1300 year ago. Means modern science was as very came back into existence. But in and Ashok Stamba is belongs to India only. Means Indian people and Chinese people have developed the modern science like 1300 year back. But for world it is 400 year old ago. Okay. So industrial society was established about 200 year ago. Okay. So industries have started establishing themselves into the earth, like Britishers started most first that industrialization. So it took place about 200 year ago, and now we have reached at this stage. We are looking forward to establish the cities on Mars as well as on the space. Okay, so this is all about the human evolution, and still we are searching the details of the root of the human ancestry from the earth as well as from the different planet. Is it?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes. So beta, this is the end of the human evolution. Okay, I want everyone had to take a screenshot. Make it fast, beta. One by one.
Done, sir.
Can you share this
Okay.
PDF?
Here.
Sir, could you share this PDF?
Okay, I have to generate that PDF.
Done, sir.
Okay. Take a screenshot here also for that part.
Done, sir.
Done. Here. Done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have only 2 minutes left. So here, if you want any question, you can ask beta. Any question?